Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. Happy new week to you all and I hope everyone is doing great. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on. Some of the coupons are still valid if you didn't use them last week and you plan on using them this week. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with the spend 15 get 3 back on participating Airwick, Finish, or Lysol products. Pick up one Airwick warmer on sale for $3.97 and one Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99. These two will total $15.78. We have a $6 off digital coupon for the starter kit and a $3 off digital coupon for the warmer. That will take off $9 and you pay $6.78, get 3 back, making them $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal I have is buy 3 get 5 back on select Crest toothpaste, Oral-B toothbrush, and Scope mouthwash. This deal is a limit of 2 and I will show you how to pick up 6 products and turn it into a moneymaker. Pick up 4 500 ml Scope mouthwash on sale for $3.99. My store only have 4 left. And to complete this deal, pick up 2 Oral-B toothbrushes on sale for $3.99 each. These 6 items will total $23.94. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon, and if you have coupon 24 app, there is a 6 off 3 coupon there. I also have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $15 and you pay $8.94, get 10 back, making them free and $1.06 moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on Sensodyne and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 Kids Sensodyne toothpaste. They are priced at $5.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.17. The two will total $8.46. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $3.46 or $1.73 each. If you prefer the mouthwash, they are priced at $7.99. Pick up 2. One will be full price, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.79. The two will total $12.78. Pay that and get 5 back, making them $7.78 or $3.89 each. The next oral care deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on Colgate Total Oral Care. Pick up 2 Colgate toothpaste, priced at $5.29 each, and they will total $10.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58, get 5 back, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. The mouthwash is included in this deal and they are priced at $6.29. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.58. There is a different 3 off 2 coupon that is working on the mouthwash and the toothbrush. Use that and you pay $9.58, get 5 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. Biotin products are on the deal of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up the 8-ounce oral rinse priced at $5.79. Pay $5.79 and get 3 back, making it just $2.79. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any CVS brand bandages, antibiotics, ointments, or creams. And I have 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 CVS brand bandages priced at $4.39 each. Both will total $8.78. Pay that and get 5 back, making it $3.78 or $1.89 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 zinc ointment priced at $4.49 each. Both will total $8.98. Pay $8.98 and get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 7 back on any Dashing Diva gel nail. Pick up the Dashing Diva Gel Starter Kit priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box back. Pay $14.99 and get 7 back, making it just $7.99. Last week I shared this deal with the body wash, but this week I'm sharing it with the body lotion, and that's buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial care, body wash, or main shave products. Pick up 2 Nivea body lotion priced at $7.29 each. Both will total $14.58. Pay the $14.58 and you get 7 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is on St. Ives Facial Care, and they are part of buy two get three back. Pick up 2 exfoliants priced at $6.49 each. Both will total $12.98. Pay that and get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to fetch reward for 1,250 points back when you spend $5, limit of 3. But with this deal, you're spending $12.98. You will get back 2,500 points, which is $2.50, making these 2 items just $7.48 or $3.74 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 2 back on My Door or You Buy Kotex. Pick up 2 18-count You Buy Kotex liners on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $2.49 each. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.25. These 2 will total $3.74. Pay that and get 2 back, making them $1.74 or 87 cents each. I did not put together any hair care deal this week with the spend $40 get $10 off, but if you need a filler item, I believe this deal will be good for you. And it's on whole blend. They're on sale for $5.49, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for a total of $10.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.98, and you get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. Venus Comfort Glide is on sale for $12.99, and it's part of buy 1 get $4 back. Pick up 1, use the $3 digital coupon, and you pay $9.99, get 4 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 8 back on Gillette Fusion 5 or the Comfort Glide Freezer Razor. Pick up 1 Comfort Glide on sale for $9.99 and 1 Gillette Fusion 5 on sale for $9.99. These 2 will total $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and a $3 digital coupon for the Venus. Both will take off $6 and you pay $13.98, get 8 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 Shea Moisture Bath and Shower or baby items and you get $3 back. Pick up 2 Shea Moisture Bath soap priced at $9.79 each. Both will total $19.58. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $12.58, get 3 back, making them $9.58 or $4.79 each. The Irish Spring coupons are still valid this week in case you didn't do them last week, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49 and 1 soft soap body wash priced at $6.59. Since both items are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, the cheaper price one will be the 40% off, and that will be the soft soap, and the new price will be $3.95. These 2 will total $11.44. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring, and we have a $2 digital coupon for the soft soap. Both coupons will take off $4, and you pay $7.44, get 4 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Palmolive or Ajax dish liquid. Last week I shared this deal with the Ajax, but this week I have the Palmolive. They are priced at $4.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $2.99. The 2 will total $7.98. Use the $2.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.48, get 2 back, making them $3.48 or $1.74 each. The next deal I have is spend $25 get $8 back, and I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99 and 1 Dawn Power Studs on sale for $5.99. These 3 items will total $25.97. Use 2 $2 Gain coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app, and a $2 off Dawn coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $19.97, get 8 back, making them $11.97 or $3.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Tide powder detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $9.99. These 2 will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box back. Use a $2 off Tide coupon from Coupon24 app and a $2 off Gain coupon from Coupon24 app. The two coupons will take off $4 and you pay $20.98, get 8 back, making them $12.98 or $6.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.